Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, it's me Arash. Today I will show how to draw colorful kite. Let's see. First, let's draw 2 lines. Like a plus sign. Look. Now, let's draw 4 angle lines. See, draw a triangle. Draw a curved line at the bottom. Can you see it? Now let's color it. First, let's use the red color. Now is the blue color. Look! Now let's color it yellow. Finally, let's use the green color. Look! Wow! Look at this beautiful, colorful kite. It's so pretty.